today's video, she asked me to do an unboxing of a package she received today called Cloth and Paper. Now, the box is really nice. It comes, okay, I got address. It comes with a nice paper boxing package, hence the name Paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and see what we got in here. So this is actually my second time being a guest on my wife's channel. I did a husband challenge about a year ago where she asked me to plan out her planner, and I did that, and it took me forever. It was harder than it looked, but I got through it. So anyway, let's do it. First, they send you a nice thank you letter. Says thank you so much for your purchase and welcome to the Cloth and Paper family. So she got some codes that you can use to get 10% off. A nice little thank you package letter. Cool. Okay. Dope little dot. I'm gonna take this off careful because my wife might want to use this in one of her books. Let's see how it comes out. Nice little paper here. Nice texture. Let's see what we got. Let's see what they got right here.
Oh, that's the order form, babe.
Oh, this is the order form. Alright. Next we have, I guess these are the what they call the inserts. Inserts?
Yeah, how'd you know that?
Cause I watch you, baby. If you notice, they have, wow, Cloth and Paper established 2015 in Richmond, Virginia. It's a 5-year-old company. It's been around for ages. So 5 years is a long time for Cloth and Paper to be around. So these are the inserts right here. It has to watch, to read, to listen, and to make. Actually, that plays a lot to our into our marriage, because you have to watch your wife or your husband. You got to read their emotions and adjust to it, listen to what they're saying, and then make a change. Dope. All right, here's some more. To see, to go, to learn. That's the first package. Skincare. This is dope because my wife is now in school to be an esthetician, so this is perfect for her to organize her cleanser time when she has exfoliant, sunscreen, has the product name, the Monday through Sunday, and then the results, and then of course the week of. This is nice. You can take notes down here at the bottom. You have a daytime and nighttime, so that's kind of dope. Same thing on here. Second one is just blank. Looks like this. You can just make some notes on here. This is a month and week, I guess, calendar type thing, half letter. What you do on this one is a Hobonichi. I've heard that name before. Hobonichi style updated weekly, has the SKU number on it. So on this one, what you do, thank you, baby, with assistance from my wife, this is her Hobonichi planner that she got. I'm not sure where she got it. She got so many planners, I don't know when she got it. But anyway, dream, plan, do. Okay. This is her Hobonichi planner, if I'm saying that right, baby. Alright, so she can put these inserts. Oh, she can't put them in. It's just the style. Okay, Hobonichi is just the style, guys. It's not an actual insert. Thank you, baby. Half letter. She can put this Hobonichi with her planner. This is a habit tracker. So you can track your habits, bad habits, good habits. Track what you do Monday through Sunday, and then you can do a recap and reflect of your good or bad habits. Dope. And this one, last one, looks like this is another half letter. It's a 8-hole punch monthly calendar. I guess you can. I gotta open this up, but I'm gonna let her open this up. It's a calendar. It's in January, so it's pretty. Is it 2020 or is it 2021?
2020.
Okay. So we're about 8 months late, but that's okay. We can still plan for the rest of the year. See what else we got in here. I think that's it. So
what size is the half letter for? What size planner will that fit in?
5x7.
Okay, which one of those does it go to?
It'll probably be this. Hold on, I gotta open up and see. Cute, I like that, baby. Cute. That's what's up.
That's my new one.
This is the one you got yesterday?
So I
fit
haven't
right
showed
here.
that to them. Yeah.
So this is what?
Will go in there.
What size is this then?
That's a half letter.
Half letter. So this goes into this half letter new planner my wife got with the rose gold. If you notice, the majority of my wife's office is rose gold, so it all ties in to her aesthetic. Alright, so thanks for watching my unboxing, my wife's unboxing of the cloth and paper inserts she sent, that they sent to my wife. Please subscribe, make comments, send her some comments, let us know how you like the video, and share and follow her page. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Bye. You can stop.
I need your support in here. I need your support in here.
Okay. Let me change these. So, I always say.
Let me do it.
Oh, I thought you wanted to. Oh,
No,
you just want to
support
support
now.
now.
Yeah, thank you.
You did so good. You can just do all my videos.
Nice and short and sweet. Did I break it down enough?
You did so
For you?
good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Thank
So
you.
these are inserts. I was like, well, yes, they are.
Well, yes, they are.